Hello, muraho. Hello, muraho. Good morning. Mwaramutse. Good morning. Mwaramutse. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe neza. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe neza. Good evening. Mwiriwe neza. Good evening. Mwiriwe neza. Dukoresha good afternoon iyo tuvuga amasaha ya nyuma ya saa sita, amasaha y'ikigoroba. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe neza. Hanyuma good evening ni mu masaha ya ninjoro. Mwiriwe neza. Good evening. How are you? How are you? Ese amakuru. How are you? Ese amakuru. I am fine. I am fine. Amakuru ni meza. I am fine. Meze neza. Thank you. Thank you. Murakoze. Thank you. Murakoze. What is your name? What is your name? Ese witwa nde? What is your name? Ese witwa nde? My name is Rugwiro. Izina ryanjye ni Rugwiro. My name is Rugwiro. Ubwo nawe washyiraho izina ryawe. What is your name? Ugahita usubiza ngo my name is, ugashyiraho izina ryawe. I wake up early. I wake up early. Mbyuka kare. I wake up early. I wake up early. Mbyuka kare. I go to work. I go to work. I go to work. Njya ku kazi. I go to work. Njya ku kazi. What time is it? What time is it? Ni sangahe? What time is it? Ni sangahe? How much is this? How much is this? Ese iki kigura ngahe? How much is this? Iki kigura angahe? What does this mean? What does this mean? Ibi bivuze iki? Ibi bivuze iki? What does this mean? Do you speak English? Ese uvuga icyongereza? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Ese uvuga icyongereza? What is your phone number? What is your phone number? Ese nimero yawe ya telefone ni iyihe? What is your phone number? Ese nimero yawe ya telefone ni iyihe? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Ese nakubaza ikintu? Ese nakubaza ikintu? Can I ask you something? Ese nakubaza ikintu? Before I continue with some other very important sentences that are used in everyday conversation, allow me to tell you that we are teaching English online. We are teaching English via Google Meet. So if you want to be part of us, please don't hesitate to text me on WhatsApp and enjoy our Google Meet lessons. Ndi kubabwira yuko abantu bashaka kongera ubumenyi bwabo mu cyongereza banyandikira kuri nimero ziri kuri screen, hanyuma tukajya twigana online. Twiga dukoresheje uburyo bwa Google Meet. Rero aho waba uri hose, haba muri Africa, muri Asia, muri America, Europe, any part of the world, don't hesitate to text me via WhatsApp so that you can start enjoying our lessons. Ntuzuyaze kunyandikira kuri WhatsApp, hanyuma turebe uko twaje twiga kuri Google Meet, aho twiga turebana. Hanyuma ubumenyi bwawe bw'icyongereza bukagenda bwiyongera. Reka dukomeze. I am happy. I am happy. Ndanezerewe. I am happy. Ndanezerewe. I am tired. I am tired. Ndananiwe. Ndananiwe. I am tired. Ndananiwe. I am hungry. I am hungry. Ndashonje. I am hungry. Ndashonje. I am hungry. I am sad. I am sad. Ndababaye. I am sad. Ndababaye. I am bored. I am bored. narambiwe. I am bored, narambiwe. I am scared. I am scared. Mfite ubwoba. I am scared. Mfite ubwoba. I am scared. That's amazing. That's amazing. Ibyo biratangaje. That's amazing. Ibyo biratangaje. Let us meet tomorrow. Let us meet tomorrow. Reka tuzahure ejo. Let us meet tomorrow. I will call you soon. I will call you soon. Ndaguhamagara mukanya. I will call you soon. Ndaguhamagara mukanya. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Ndagutegereje. I am waiting for you. Ndagutegereje. I am going shopping. I am going shopping. Ngiye guhaha. I am going shopping. Ngiye guhaha. I am going to school. I am going to school. I am going to school. Ngiye kwishuri. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson. If so, don't forget to give us thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Rero ndizera yuko iri somo ryabanyuze. Niba byagenze gutyo, ntiwibagirwe kuduha like, subscribe, ndetse munandike muri comment kuko biradufasha cyane. Now, let us meet in the next one. Bye bye for now. Reka tuzahure muri ndi somo mbaye mbasezeye. Bye.